So, hello guys, chemistry, O-level chemistry. Whether you are doing JAMB or you are doing post-term or you want to write WAEC or NECO or GCE, yeah. So we want to balance these chemical equations using simultaneous equation. Yeah, simultaneously. A very best way that you can do, like you can balance your equation and you'll be 100% sure that what you did is correct. Now let's start with the first one. First one is what? Fe plus what? O2 to give us what? Fe2O3. Are we together? Now label them alphabetically A, B and what? And C. Is that clear? Now iron Fe with the Latin name ferrium Fe is attached to A. So Fe, which is A, equals to, where do we have A? C, right? Where do we have Fe? Fe is A. Are we together? Where also do we have Fe? C. But how many Fe do we have there? 2. So you can say A equals to what? 2C. Now we are done with this. Now let's move to B. But we have 2 of oxygen here. So here will be 2B because oxygen is B and it's on number it is 2. So we have 2B equals to, where do we have oxygen? C. No, both Fe and oxygen they are C. A, B, C. So here we have what? 3C because oxygen is 3 there. Are we together? So in every equation you are balancing using this method, using this simultaneous method, let your A always be what? 1. Let A be equals to what? 1. So if your A is 1, what will be your C? So that means 1 equals to 2C. Since A equals to 2C, divide both sides by 2. By 2. 2 cancel 2. That means C is what? C equals to what? 1 over what? 1 over 2. C equals to 1 over 2. Now let's move to B. Come, let me check the video. Now B, here we have, oh, I hope this thing is okay. So here we have 2B equals to 3C. 2B equals to 3C. And what's our C? 1 over 2. That means 2B equals to what? 3 over 2. Divide both sides by 2. If 3 over 2 divided by 2 is same as 3 over 2 times 1 over 2. If I want to divide something by 2, dividing something by 2 is same as multiplying that thing by 1 over 2. Because 1 over 2 is inverse of division. Do we get? So multiplication is also, 1 over 2 is inverse of 2. Multiplication is also like inverse of division. So instead of putting over 2, I can put times 1 over 2. The same thing as divided by 2. So here 2 cancel 2. That means 3 times 1, 3. 2 times 2, 4. That means my B is what? 3 over what? 3 over 4. Are we together? So we found our A, B, and C. So whenever you have fraction, yeah, only when you have fraction. So you are going to multiply everything by the fraction with the highest denominator. Which one have the highest denominator? This one, 4. So multiply everything by 4. By 4. By 4. So our A equals to what? 4. C equals to what? 4 over 2, that's 2. And B equals to what? 3. Now write the equation again. A is what? 4. B is what? 3. And C is what? 2. As you can see, how many Fe do we have here? 4. How many do we have here? 4. 2 times 2, 4. How many oxygen here? 6. 3 times 2, 6. How many oxygen here? 6. 3 times 2. You know, these two, we multiply it. 6. So it's balanced. Are we together? So now, let's do the number 2. I deliberately put this question 2 so that you can get what you are doing. So let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F. Regardless of the equation, no matter how long, in fact, even though there is charges on it, you can still use the method. It's valid very, very well. Now, let me check the video. So now, A, this is K potassium. A equals to, where do we have potassium? C. Are we together? No, we are not done with A because we have 3 elements here. Now we have another element at A, manganese, Mn. So A, where do we have manganese? D, right? We also have another A here, oxygen, but it's 4. 4A, no, O4. Where do we have oxygen? F, we have 1 oxygen here. That means 4A equals to F. So we are done with A. Let's move to B. We have hydrogen, B. Where do we have hydrogen? F, 2F. We have 2 hydrogen. So B equals to 2F. Are we together? So we also have chlorine. It is attached to B. B equals to, where do we have chlorine? C. There is a plus. Then we have another chlorine here, 2D. Plus, we have another chlorine here, 2E. Do we get that? We have chlorine in 3 places here. This arrow is equal to that we are putting. So the C here, chlorine here, you say is equal to chlorine here plus, because there is a plus, before the another chlorine. Do we get that? So now let A, like I said earlier, let A be what? 1. So if A equals to 1, what will be C? Since A is equal to C, that means C also is what? 1. Sorry. That means C also is what? 1. Since A is also equal to D, that means D also is what? 1. So 4A equals to F. That means 4A, what's our A? 1 equals to F. That means F is what? 4 times 1. That means F is what? F equals to 4. So we find A, C, D, and F. Now let's find our B. B equals to 2F. B equals to 2F. What's our F? 4. 2 times 4, 8. That means B equals to 2 times 4. B equals to 8. B equals to 8. Now let's find the last one, which is what? E. So we say B equals to C plus 2D plus 2E. What's our B? 8 equals to C. Our C is 1 plus 2D. What's our D? 1 plus what? 2E. Then we are looking for E. B equals to C plus 2D plus 2E. So here we have 8 equals to 1 plus 2 plus what? 2E. That means 8 equals to what? 3 plus what? 2E. That means 8 minus 3 equals what? 2E. That means 8 minus 3. That means 5 equals what? 2E. That means E equals to what? 5 over 2. So our E equals to what? 5 over what? 5 over 2. Is that clear? So now we've gotten A, B, C, D, and E. But assuming this is just 5 alone, we just apply everything A1, C, but there's a fraction. So you are going to multiply everything by the denominator, the highest denominator, since this one is the only fraction. So times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That means A equals to 1 times 2, 2. B equals to 8 times 2, 16. C equals to 1 times 2, 2. D equals to 1 times 2, 2. E equals to 5 over 2 times 2, 5. F equals to 4 times 2, 8. So now let's see if those things are valid. So here we are saying now, let me clean all this alphabet. Let me check the video. So yeah, our A is what? 2. Our B is what? 16. Are we together? Our C is what? 2. Our D is what? 2. Our E is what? 5. Our F is what? 8. Now let's see if it is balanced indeed. Now 2 potassium, 2K, we have 2K. Potassium is balanced. Manganese, 2 times manganese is 2 here. We also have 2 manganese here, is balanced. Now oxygen, 2 times 4, oxygen is 8. Oxygen is 8 times 1. Oxygen is balanced. Let's check for hydrogen. Hydrogen is 16 here. Hydrogen is 8 times 2, 16. Hydrogen is balanced. Let's check for chlorine. Chlorine is also 16 here. 16 and 1. Chlorine is 16 here. Now here we have 2 chlorine. Here we have 4 chlorine. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 2, that's 6. We have 10 chlorine, 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 6, that's 16. So everything is balanced. This method is very ideal, very fast, and very accurate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share the video among your friends.